In late November 2016, we arrived in the autonomous region of Bougainville, Papua New Guinea. We planned to stay for 1 year. However, 500 days later, and we're still here. And the reason for this? It's the people we meet day to day, the people we share adventures with.
Hello,
you okay?
This is taking you drinks.
Got plenty.
Ice blocks.
Yeah. On our very first weekend, we took a handmade canoe on its maiden voyage from Chabai on the west coast to White Island. I still remember snorkeling for the first time and just being flabbergasted by the amount of fish I could see. I didn't know where to look. It was the first of many adventures to come. We went to the mountains of Rotokas hiking for the very first time. We took our very first trip to Papua Island. We arrive at the volcanic crater lake of Lake Billy Mitchell, or Lake Arovi as it's known locally, just as the fog is lifting, giving us a quick glimpse of the lake below. We go to Papua Island again. Hike in the hills around Arawa to find even more waterfalls. We checked out Papua Island by plane, boat and 4x4. It's the people we meet day to day, the people we share adventures with.